Back when love had a heartbeat. Before people started loving scared. Back when Sunday dinners fixed a broken soul, and your man came home instead of letting go. We danced slow underneath that kitchen light. No diamonds on my hand, but he still held me tight. Baby, loving wasn't perfect back then, but we stayed through the storm, didn't leave at the wind. Not forever got a time limit attached. People fall apart faster than they unpack. Mama used to press her curls before we came home. Daddy played Al Green while she cooked on the stove. Now everybody guarding hearts like loaded guns. Can't even say I miss you without someone running. What happened to patience? To praying through pain? To holding each other when life got insane? Now people say space when they really mean gone, and silence got louder than a love song. On the radio, now it sounds like crying in an empty home. Love don't sound the same no more. Hearts still break, but people don't stay no more. Used to build a house from the floor, now everybody halfway out the door. What happened to soul? What happened to touch? Everybody wants love, but nobody wanna hold on long enough. Now it's screenshots, block calls, ghosted texts. Love you at midnight, cold by the next. Everybody got trauma they wear like fashion, turning soft hearts into close reactions. You can lay beside somebody and still feel alone. People share locations but won't share home. Everybody says protect your peace now, but nobody asks why we can't sleep now. We post love online for attention and views, then cry in private when the feeling don't move. Late night FaceTime turned to unread messages. Toxic chemistry disguised as preferences. Everybody loves hard till accountability. Now vulnerability feels like a disability. And these men, they scared of a woman with a voice. Call it difficult because she got a choice, then leave her for silence that destroys their spirit. Now they sitting in regret because peace ain't in it. Maybe love ain't gone, maybe it just changed clothes. Maybe we still searching for the feeling old souls know. Love don't
children forgot.